Wait a second. That's not me. Who's this guy? This is my buddy Kenan. We go way back. We were actually in high school together, and he bought a knife, chef's knife, and came out to pick it up and gave him some shots at the hammer and anvil. So this was his first time swinging, and he did surprisingly well, being able to reduce that first point, the knife side edge, and visited for a long while. Took some other video of me foraging, which was pretty cool, and we just had a good time catching up.
So that sets that shoulder then?
Yep.
That's the angle that just kind of makes that nice 90 degree versus the 45. We go back in here. Back to the grind! That one hurt. Crispy. It's one thing that I hate about 52-100. It's a very scaly material. Shoots so much scale off. One, two, three. I've done me. Focus, please. 1, 2, 3.
I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe to Gingerworks.